Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this chicken and cheese casserole that is so comforting. Chicken is such a common meal and here is a little twist to keep it interesting. This recipe is so good and super easy to put together, so let's get started. Okay guys, I have some chicken breast here and we're going to start by pounding them flat. So first, go ahead and cover them with saran wrap to prevent any mess. Next, grab a meat pounder and start pounding. If you don't have a meat pounder, you can use any heavy object around your house that you think can pound the chicken. Okay guys? So you want to pound the chicken until they flatten out, and the reason we pound the chicken is to make them cook faster and come out moist and super tender. Once they're all pounded, remove the saran wrap, then transfer them into a baking pan. Next, drizzle some olive oil all over them, then season with salt and pepper. We're also adding some red pepper flakes for a little heat, as well as some dried oregano and freshly minced garlic. Go ahead and toss everything together. Make sure you get the spices on both sides of the chicken. Next, we're going to let the chicken marinate and absorb all those flavors for 15 minutes while we prep the other ingredients. In this bowl, I have some cream cheese, and into that we're adding parmesan cheese. Season with salt and pepper, then mix everything together and set aside for later. Okay, next you're going to heat up a skillet over medium heat and add some olive oil. Once the oil is hot, grab some sliced onions and toss them right in. We're going to caramelize the onions, so cook them for 10 minutes, stirring periodically until they turn nice and golden brown, just like this. When you caramelize onions, they get such an intense, wonderful flavor. Next, we're going to add some minced garlic and cook the garlic for about a minute until they get fragrant. Then we're adding some sun-dried tomatoes. Go ahead and cook the sun-dried tomatoes for about 2 minutes. Then grab some spinach and toss those right in. Add some freshly chopped basil for additional flavor, then season with salt and pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together and let the spinach cook until it wilts down, just like this. Then we are ready to assemble. So by this time, the chicken should be done and marinated. We're going to grab the cheese and put dollops of that onto each chicken. Next, spread the cheese all over the chicken, just like that. Then we're going to add the sauteed vegetables. Then for the final touch, we're going to sprinkle some mozzarella cheese over each chicken. Then they go to bake at 400 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes or until they reach internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. And here they are out of the oven. They smell so good. The flavor is insane. Before you serve these, make sure you let them sit for 10 minutes, otherwise the juices will run out of the chicken. I like to serve this with rice. They pair so well together. You can also serve with mashed potatoes. I think it will be delicious. The chicken came out so moist and tender and so juicy. You guys are going to love this recipe. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. If you try this recipe, please send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.